Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of our summer class. I hope you guys are enjoying the class so far, and congratulations on finishing week 1. What a big accomplishment. I know you guys had a lot of assignments done. I've been monitoring your progress, and you know that I'm here for you if you ever need any help, but congratulations. So, our summer class is not just about learning algebra. I also want to help you develop and hone the 21st century skills needed to succeed in high school, college, and beyond. And we will go into this whole summer class I'll be posting many different assignments that will help develop those skills. And one of them is being a good digital citizenship. So by the end of this week, you will understand and be able to explain what it means to be a good digital citizen. So, when you start your week 2 on Monday, you are going to be launching this PowerPoint, and the first things that you're going to see is that I'm going to be posting this video here in the instruction slide. The second slide is what is a good digital citizenship? So what is digital citizenship overall? And this video is just like a minute video that shows in quick detail what it is. Then by the other side, I have the introduction, and this is what we're going to be focusing on, the five fundamental topics of digital safety and citizenship. And what are we going to use? So what resource or platform are we going to use to learn what being a good digital citizen means? Google has come up with an awesome game that teaches you citizenship skills that are interactive and fun, just like the internet itself. So we'll be using this program, and all you have to do is log on every day for week 2, and I'll have all the slides ready and the links ready for you to be able to access the modules. So let's pretend it's Monday. So Monday, you'll be accessing this slide, and I believe slide 6. So Monday, be internet smart. So for today, we're going to learn how to be internet smart, and our topic is share with care. Our lesson goals: create and manage a positive reputation, both online and off. 2, respect the privacy boundaries of others, even if different from one's own. 3, understand the potential impact of a mismanaged digital footprint. And 4, ask for adult help when dealing with sticky situations. So every day will be a different topic, and you will have different lesson goals. So we're doing Mondays, we're going to stick to these lesson goals, and we are learning about being internet smart. I have some vocabulary for you to keep in mind, and you will have to keep in mind because by the end you'll see why it's important to just keep in mind the vocabulary terms. Wow, I said keep in mind 3 times. Sorry about that. So look at the vocabulary terms. The third slide is, all right, now that you looked at the terms, now we have our lesson goals in mind. Let's get going. The mountainous town center of Interland is a place where everyone mingles and crosses paths, but you must be very intentional about what you share and with whom. Information travels at the speed of light, and there's an oversharer among the internauts you know. So now it's time to open a web browser or have a mobile device ready and visit Mindful Mountains. So when you click on the link, so you have to click on the links to travel, and it takes you right to the game. So let's check it out really fast. Cool. So Mindful Mountains, share with care. You press play. You don't need to log in. You don't need to sign up or anything. That's the best part. You just go right to the game. And here is how I'm going to know and monitor if you're actually doing the assignments. So once you complete the game, I'm going to exit it really quick. So it's going to tell you how to play the game. And after you're done playing the game, you are going to be able to download a certificate. You write your name and it downloads that certificate for you. I'm going to include a slide after every week, and that's where you include. So you're going to make a copy of this presentation, and then you are going to be inserting your slides in the last page. Let's see. So I'll show you, I'll get back to that thought in a second. I'll tell you where to place your certificate in a second. But let's say that I finished the Mindful Mountain, I completed the game, and I have my certificate ready. All right, cool. I'm going to keep the certificate downloaded, and I'm going to come back to it. But first, we have to now go to our class Padlet. So after playing Mindful Mountain, click on our class Padlet. The link is below, and answer the questions. So I'm going to click on it, click on the link, and it takes you to our class Padlet. And I have the directions. Create a post by clicking on the plus sign down here below. Your responses should include the unit vocabulary terms. That's where our vocabulary terms come in. And each answer to each question should be at least 1 or 2 sentences long. So when we look back at our vocabulary, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want you to be able to share all of the vocabulary terms and use them in your responses. So for Monday, after playing Mindful Mountain, answer the questions below about the lessons learned in the game. Mindful Mountain. For Monday, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 questions that you must answer. Each question must be 1 and 2 sentences long. And the post should, when you write your responses, you should be able to include some vocabulary terms there. Your post should at least, your whole post, when you answer all 7 questions, there should be the terms in there. So all you're going to do is just press pause, press the plus sign, write your title. And I know you're going to be anonymous, so all I want you to write in the title is your name. So if your name, I would write my name, and then I would just write, okay, I'm going to be answering question 1, and my response. Simple as that, and then you save. But I'm going to delete this one because it's just an example. So you're going to be doing that for every single day. Every single day I have different questions. Okay. So let's say I finished the Padlet. By Padlet, I answered all 7 questions for Monday. Cool. Now what? So let's go back to the slide. And at the end of the slide, I'm going to have to insert. I can do it right now. I'll have this slide after every single day where you're going to place your certificate. So you're going to just go to Insert, Image, and whether you have it saved on your computer or your photos, if you're using a tablet or mobile device, just insert it on there. And by the end of the week, on Sunday, July 8th, you will turn in your copy of this presentation. Because remember, you have to make a copy of the original one, and then you're able to edit it so you can paste your certificates on here. And yeah, you're going to be doing that for every day. So I have one for Tuesday. Tuesday is Be Internet Alert. The same thing. You have your vocabulary terms. You're ready to play the game. And then you go to the class Padlet and answer the 7 questions for Tuesday by creating a post and writing your name on the title and then writing down your responses. And yeah, then after that, you're gonna be pasting your certificate. All right, well, I hope this video helped. It's already 10 minutes long. I hope I answered any questions, comments, or concerns. So I hope you have fun with this lesson. I really am trying to incorporate lots of resources that are exciting, that are fun, that are not too difficult to comprehend, and fun overall. We're all gamers, so I'm trying to incorporate lots of games onto our curriculum. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day. Bye, guys.